Couldn't we all? Merry Christmas.
Whoa. Take that. Oh, that aroma. Where are we going? Galveston. Galveston. Okay. There we go. So, this is a beautiful day in Texas, which usually doesn't get cold, but I don't know if it's this time or every time. This year it's so cold. I feel like I'm in my hometown, which is New Delhi. But today is a beautiful day and we are heading to the beach. It's gonna be crazy because it's pandemic. We are almost there. This beach is like 45 minutes south of Houston. Name of the beach is Galveston and we'll be there any moment now. And I was just figuring out my GoPro camera, like the accessories. And here we are at the pier, Galveston Beach. So this is me at the beach right now, and I'm just going around walking, kind of hungry, about to eat something definitely soon, in about few minutes. And it's just a day trip. This is the Christmas weekend and I'll be uploading this video as my Christmas weekend trip, and you'll be watching some unique party videos. And I'm gonna discuss more about how I went to that party, which you just saw in this video. And I'm gonna make a whole different video for that. And here you see, yesterday we won finally. I mean, I'm an Arsenal fan, but let's not talk soccer. I mean, this is America, so this is soccer now for me. I have to call it soccer. I'm sorry guys, most of the guys who are watching me, I know you call it football, but can't help it. Anyway, sticking to the point, I'm trying to be a travel vlogger, trying to be a full-time YouTuber. So this is the first step, and there's a lot more to do. I'll be doing so much more, and I'll be going to places. I'll be literally going to every continent and as many countries as possible. As no one is around me right now, hey. So let's get lit and let's get lost with SAR. No, I'm trying to practice like how should I, you know, say something about my travel channel in like every video. But for now I'll just say let's trip with SAR, which is my travel channel name, and what else is it? My Instagram's name, so you can also follow me on Instagram. I think these two platforms are going to be my main platforms, Instagram and YouTube. And let's keep this going. But this is just the beginning. You know, I'm just trying to develop my skills right now. That's my main focus. Trying to be careful while walking over here. I gotta look down and walk. Just don't want to fall down over here and like injure myself for my next trip. Even though I'm used to getting injured, you know, being a soccer player.
I just had to say, oh la la, we should get acquainted like, oh my God, I don't speak your language, but hear my, I don't need no translation, just.
It was a good day. After working a lot, finally I got this day off and made the best out of it, and this is the last weekend of 2020. For some of the people it hasn't been, I mean, I would say for most of the people, because of COVID it has been the worst year, but for me I would say I did try to make the best out of this, and I think I changed so many things in my life, and this is another change which I'm doing on last weekend of this year. So I'm really excited for 2021, which is hopefully is going to be without COVID. Hope is the thing. I hope everybody who's watching this is safe and sound, no matter wherever you are. Just keep safe, take precautions, wear a mask. I mean, right now I'm not wearing one, but I do have it in my pocket because I'm in the car with my friend, with my brother from Washington DC. And we just had a great day, good food, beach, and now it's almost time to call it a day. I mean the beach day. The night is still young and it's almost night. So let's see what's up next.